So you have already paired and connect your Sony Wireless Headphones WH-CH510 to the device of your choice. But if you want to pair it to other or multiple devices like iPhone or Android, this is how you can do that. Now to pair to another device, you'll first have to take the headphone to pairing mode. For that, first make sure your headset is turned off. Now press and hold on this power button. Don't release it, keep holding it until you see this blinking blue LED. And that means it's on pairing mode. Now just go ahead and pair it with the device of your choice. You can pair and connect your headset with multiple devices like this, but whenever you power off and then turn on your headphone, it will automatically reconnect it to the last device it was paired with. If you want to connect it to previously paired device, all you have to do is just disconnect it from the current device and then tap on connect in the Bluetooth section. And that's it. That's the way you can pair Sony headsets to multiple devices at the same time. Happy listening, thanks, and take care.